Hey there, everybody. This is Tracy Wagner with Banger Inc. And today we are going to talk about why you're getting an error message when you try to add a new user. There is a reason for it, and I'm going to explain that to you right now. If we go to company and admin and users, if you are an administrator on your account, so if you have admin privileges over here and you are trying to add a new user, we're just going to do that. We're just going to pick anybody. Okay. I don't know why it keeps doing that to me. Sorry, let me delete these real quick. It's very annoying. Okay, so we are setting up our user with everything that we need, and we're going to go save it. So the first message we get is just a warning, and it's telling us, explaining to us that you have to check your license availability before adding users. Have you paid for the license that you are trying to give this user? So do you have an open business license, business user license? If you don't, then Sage is going to bill you the day that you set up this additional user. And they are not very lenient about refunding that charge if you accidentally set up a new user and you didn't mean to, or you didn't realize it was going to cost money. And so this is warning you right here. You need to check your license availability. Well, the only way to check that is to send us a ticket because you don't have that information in your system anywhere. So let's just go ahead and create. You have to put in your password and verify. Now we have put in our own system smart rule to prevent you from adding this user because we see too often companies trying to add new users and not realizing that it's going to cost them money. And so we really have tried to put some checks in place here so you can't do that. So obviously it's telling you here that you need to contact us by opening up a support ticket, and we will gladly check your license count and then add the user for you. And then you'll be able to assign the role to the user and all that good stuff. But anytime that you are trying to add a new user or change the user license type, so from changing it to a business to an employee user, you're going to get this message. So that's the reason for it. We don't want you to get charged for something you didn't realize you were going to get charged for. And that is the reason that that's implemented. All right. Have a great day.